So, not all men, huh? Yo guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is SM Hitman. If you still don't know for some reason, and yeah, welcome back to a new video. This won't be a typical, SM Hitman video where we have fun and everything, because this is quite a serious topic I'm going to be talking about today. In the last couple of days, some images surfaced on social media, and I'm sure you know what I'm talking about here, right? Essentially, these were screenshots from a group chat of teenage boys from specifically South Delhi, to be fair. And yeah, to say the least, the content in those conversations in the chats was disgusting. Okay, there's no better word to put it like that, but yeah, it was honestly disgusting. Now you might be thinking, what was in those chats? What, what's the worst thing the 16-year-olds, 17-year-olds could have said in their private conversations? They said some really bad shit, man. And I don't say it lightly at all. I don't say it lightly at all. If you have seen the screenshots, you know what the content in there was. They passed on images of young girls, girls they had hooked up with, or just sharing out explicit images of people that should not be shared publicly, and that was majority girls. The group consisted of a lot of people. There was one admin and he had added a lot of boys. There were some girls as well, I believe. But yeah, that was basically the gist of the group, and they were passing derogatory comments against everyone. They were speaking shit, speaking in a sexually harassing way for to the images of the girls that were sent on the chat. So essentially, not something good, but what this has caused now is a massive, what do we call it, man? Backlash against those boys, against the kids that were in that group. And honestly, I can't even blame the internet this time. I mean, people that know me know that I'm not really on the modern feminism train, or jumping on the bandwagon to piece of people, or for a better internet word, being a simp. I'm not on these lines. But there are some times when you just can't disagree to something, and having seen these screenshots, I really can't bring myself to support or defend any of the people in that group, because that just that is not my character. That is not the person I am to defend such kind of comments. I can assure you, I have never made this kind of comments to anyone. So if you wanna back check on my history or something, go ahead. But it did cause a massive backlash in the community, as well as on all types of social media. Females in our country have stories everywhere. It's a trending topic right now, even when coronavirus is still a thing. And the backlash has been absolutely massive. I think the one of the people of the group has been convicted, not convicted, but has been arrested as well, for of course the defamatory, derogatory chats. And yeah, we say not all men, and I agree, not all men is just. But things like this happen, and you question yourself, like, is that the point? Is that the point they're trying to make? Like, see, I know the argument can be laid as that if you're calling all men as trash, it's like saying equivalent. I'm not saying this. This might be people saying it, that it's equivalent to us calling all the Muslim people terrorists, because just a few of them, have gone total psychopaths. But that is literally not the point. Either we can, like, a friend of mine put this on a story of her. Like she said, we only have two choices. We can stand with the girls or stand against the girls. And this is the kind of things where I have to stand with the girls, and I want to stand with the girls, because what the boys did was wrong. And although I know not all men, because I don't. So not all men do that. there is a bunch that has been exposed, and you can't outright deny that. And it doesn't matter if the girls do it as well or not. That's not the point, because as you all know, just a couple days after these screenshots were leaked, another screenshot of a girl's chat was leaked, which was almost the same. Just a few, calm down on the words. They did not ask their squad to, I can't say the word on the R word on anyone. They just were passing homophobic stuff against boys, I guess, which is just as bad maybe. But yeah, that is literally not the point. That is not the point. The point is mistakes have been made, and it's our time to own up to it. At the end of the day, appropriate action has to be taken against those boys and anyone who is doing that. This kind of behavior should definitely stop. It should stop. And yeah, proper action will be taken against these boys. I guess one or a couple of them have been arrested as well by now. But yeah, let this serve as an example, to not be having this kind of conversations anywhere, let alone in a Instagram personal group chat or anything. These are not the kind of things you say. You respect people and you get respect back. Well, that was it. I wanted to give my stand on these things because I felt compelled to talk about this issue and to share it with all of you guys, of course. So yeah, if you agree with me, don't agree with me, please let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of this issue going on right now? But yeah, and if you're new, hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, do everything of that sorts. We are targeting for 200 subscribers by the end of this month. And let's see. Yeah, like the video if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video soon.